Ми приїхали на Factory 5 Racing, нам тільки що показали, як сюди заїхати. Тут двері, тут така запаркувалася машинкою, тут Мар'янка, ззаді parking lot, повністю на parking lot багато burnouts and bird donuts, напевне, testing their cars, obviously. Okay, let's go outside and check it out.
Окей, це Івана Dream Car. Він є дуже crazy за ці машинки. Це я не знаю, що таке. Це червона. І це синя. Це середина.
Oh, ти робиш відео?
Yeah.
Так що ми нарешті приїхали after 2 years of waiting to see this place. Нарешті приїхав. І тут стоїть GT car, то factory race car, і там ззаді SC4 Factory 5 AC Cobra replica. Hot Rod зараз на шоу. Поїхали. Але ззаді тебе є pictures, як виглядає Hot Rod. На стіні, прямо тут, оце Hot Rod 33. І зараз вони на шоу в Кентакі.
Хочеш сісти в машинку?
Я дам місце. Тут видно інсайт. Дивись. Видно, як всередині виглядає часис цієї машини. І екзост, сервіс, і все буде видно. Дивись. Як екзост пайпс ідуть в бік, і ніде нема mufflers. Знаєш, яка вона голосна? Коли ніде збоку нема mufflers і просто з мотора, і бачу V8 мотор і 4 труби в бік. І з тої сторони 4 труби і в бік. І маєш того такий екзост. Тут fuel cap, багажник маленький. So beautiful. А, тут видно гасинг. Вон. Це гасинг. І дуже така подібна, точно як була в 60-му році.
Окей.
Це видно, що це круто рейс. Вона має не comfortable, має просто рейсі. І має rollover bar. Дивись, які сидушки. Просто метал і то все. Це race car. Такі на ті рейс, що ми були попередній вікенд, на таких вони робили рейс. Нічого всередині не було.
Who's calling me? Bill, were you just calling me? Yeah.
Тут видно, де вони зробили дизайн спойлер. Тут Shelby спойлер, який вони збудували, були оригінал із aluminum і за overnight. Вони aluminum збудували спойлер і відтоді такий спойлер. І на моїй машині такий самий спойлер.
deal. I have no idea what your state would require.
А тут всякі suspensions.
We do get sponsorships, things like that. So companies will send us stuff, we'll put them on our cars and whatnot.
That's nice. How many guys you have working here?
About 35 guys.
Wow. Big operation.
It's a 38,000 square foot washer, brake line, steering wheel, weather stripping, aluminum panel you can think of.
Wow, and you just assemble it as from all the pieces.
As we get an order in, we'll go ahead and actually assemble. Yeah, it's about 12 bucks to install. Now, a complete camper, a hot rod looks like this. They're one of those guys. Basically, it's about 34, 35 bucks to put this stuff. Hot rod because a lot of stuff is there, a lot of it's rusty. A lot of stuff is there. That makes up one half. The other half is not like fresh trees that have all the analysts that just that way you know exactly what's in it. 33 styling fit factory 5 better because when I'm looking at doing a hot rod, we weren't looking at we were looking at we're based, there is some components that are however, we had our line set on this into this. This is exactly what we want. We basically created what we can call race line. Put in a hot rod, but you can put in a race line. It's scary when you see me go. See a couple roasters.
Hi.
This happens to be a hot rod, looks like a hot rod kit. What you do is the steel falls into place in a certain manner, and when you're welding it, it causes the steel not to move. Versus if you're just welding something on an open bench, heat will actually, work. So this ensures that quality control and tolerances are held to engineer specs. So all the small stuff is not converter pipe, contract, it's all door frame, smaller size. Everything to my left arm is with frame itself. Here, one of our guys is working on hot rod frame kit.
Yep.
He's got the whole front assembly, the whole firewall back, all completed. Now he's working on the front engine bay area. He's basically putting in the lower X bracing, putting some more into. So what he does is he grabs the steel from the shelf behind him, which is pre-cut. He's got a whole system where he'll grab whatever he needs and he puts it into place piece by piece by piece. Once he goes and has enough what he's working on, he'll tack weld it into place and then move on to the next component. It takes these guys from about 3 to 6 hours to actually tack weld the frame into place. Once it's all set, pulled out, and put on a rotisserie or a finish warmer and then take it all the way. That was the hot rod right there. That's the Mark IV. Right there. That's it. Type 65 feet. Brian over here. And if you look way in the back corner over there next to that green shelf, that's the GPS. So what our guys will do is they'll go ahead and see the content the guys that live in the area. We can talk Renzo that's kind of. Oh, that's styrene. That's basically from the molding process. That's a byproduct. But what we'll do is this is our Eastman cutting table. He cuts out any fabric material that carpet, fiberglass, anything like that. He'll go ahead and it's actually the same cutting table that a large clothing manufacturer uses. Cut out t-shirts, hats, shorts, you name it. We use it for basically everything we need to make all our components. You see the fiberglass on there right now. Along the back wall there, roadster and coupe are all done in this alcove area. So what our guys do is they start out with a mold, just like this rear diffuser is right here in front of us. They'll put on a wax releasing agent and a gel coat, put the fiberglass on, and then saturate it with vinyl ester resin. They'll get the air bubbles out, rest of the resin by hand, and then they'll go ahead and get a temperature right here in the open house. Once it's set, they'll go ahead and cut the middle part away from the mold. You can see everything he's doing right now. He's basically tapping, and he's going to basically you'll hear it. It kind of sounds like a fiberglass breaking. See, he's working on the tail light holes for a roadster. But he's not the one working on it. It's this guy right here. It's a 5-axis CNC problem. He's responsible for doing the quality of our panels. Fenders, doors, hoods, trunks. Basically, we'll go ahead and actually strip everything to the tolerance of the very quick piece of machinery, and most of our guys know what it is. Back here we have chassis assembly. Josh here and his colleague Fred are basically responsible for assembling, pre-assembling all of the components that we just saw being made. They got 4 frames here, 2 GTMs, 2 Mark IVs. And what they'll do is they'll grab the aluminum here on the pegboards and bend them up in the sheet metal brake and then put them on with sheet metal screws. Just like you see he's working on that graphic foot box over there. He'll basically put on anywhere from about 30% to about 60% of the panels necessary to go on the vehicle. Once the panels are all in place and everything tweaked and tuned as necessary, they'll grab a body, fit the body to the frame, and then do the same thing to the panels. What he's going to make sure is that everything that we're giving you is going to line up the way it's intended to. So the body's going to line up with the body mounts, the doors line up correctly, the hood lines up correctly. They're going to make sure that all of that works exactly the way it's supposed to. Once that's all set, they'll do one more check over the entire vehicle, make sure nothing's been missed. And then it looks like the ones we saw on the other side of the shop. The aluminum is nowadays though, there's not many left. A lot of the companies have folded, unfortunately. As time has gone on, we have become the biggest. We have sold the most out of all the companies. We're over 3,000 cars. True, correct. So, we do have competitors.